Did you know that Salvador Dalí's art was once part of an amusement park? Today, we are going to explore Luna Luna, a unique art and amusement park exhibit created in 1987 by Austrian artist André Heller.
An amusement park made by the top artists of the 20th century.
And I called it Luna Luna.
Originally debuting in Hamburg, Germany, it featured works by Dalí, Jean-Michel Basquiat, Keith Haring, David Hockney, Roy Lichtenstein, and many others. Despite its initial success, Luna Luna faced financial difficulties and was stored away for decades.
It was the absolute masterpiece. But I had it in my hands and I let it slip away.
Just disappeared. It's epic that it was as lost as it was for as long as it was.
What? I saw this traveling show revived in Los Angeles, and they did an amazing job of capturing what it might have been like, blending the playful spirit of a carnival with inspiring art, and now this traveling show is in New York City. So be sure to check it out and see where they're off to next. You've got to see it.